Lift your hands and tell him tonight, Lord, you're holy. Lord, you're holy. Lord, you're holy. So and we lift you up and magnify your name. I look around and I see all the works your hands have made. The awesome and how your love will never fade. Mere words cannot express what I feel inside. I can't describe your glory divine, but as a token of my love, this is what I'll do. I lift my hands and cry, Lord, Lord, you're holy, Lord. I lift you up and magnify your name. Lord, you're holy, Lord, you're holy, and we lift you up and magnify your name. There's not enough words that I can say to tell you how much I appreciate all the wonderful things you've given me. Your love and kindness, your tender mercy. I desire to praise you. I want to praise you, Lord, and tell you how much I love you. Because you're worthy of all the glory and all the praise. I don't know why you would love me, why you would show me so much mercy, why you would suffer and die for me. Way back on Calvary, I'm gonna thank you right now. Somebody help me now. Jesus, I thank you, Lord. My heart cries, thank you. And I give you all the praise. Wonderful, glorious, holy and righteous, victorious, conqueror, triumphant and mighty, healer, deliverer, shield and defense, strong tower and my best friend, omnipotent, omnipresent, soon coming King, Alpha, Omega, Lord of everything. Holy, holy is your name. Wonderful, glorious, holy, victorious, conqueror, triumphant, mighty, healer, deliverer, shield and defense, strong tower and mighty, omnipotent, omnipresent,